Give that creeper a hat. Captain ALM. Hello, Captain ALM here. Welcome to another program showcase video. This is just RDP 1.3. It's not now. It should tell you to update in the program. So let's get into it. So as per usual, you have to download it, and you go to the either look in the description and download it, or if you've currently got version 1.2 and you run it. Let's just edit the file back a bit. Don't need to do this, but if you've still got the original version 2 data file kind of thing. If you run version 1.2, it'll check for updates or sound data file, it'll download it, extract and install it. Nicely done. This is not the version we're doing 1.3, I'm just showing you how to update to 1.3.2. Though you can just download it from YouTube. Yeah, you can also do this, and it says update found 1.3. It will now launch a playlist, and this YouTube video will be the first on my playlist. That's before it comes out. Okay, so you download it, go to OneDrive, and it's here. It's just RDP 1.3. Right, let's paste it on our desktop. Let's right click and choose, and I'll open it with this thing because it's cool and everything. Extract the desktop. Lovely jubbly. I do recommend double clicking the readme file and have a look at that. When it opens, any time now. I did 2 new error codes. See, it'll tell you what I've done here. I have added command line argument support, and if it's not, it's a restart bug, which turns out to be a little bit of code and a little bit of me not typing in the right namespace in smallbasic. Silly me. Right, let's get on to it. When you download it, when you go into .NET 5 or .NET 3.5 from Vista XP, below Captain ALM, .NET 4.5 if you're sitting on a 7 or above computer. First is RDP, click it, you'll check for updates. This is not the latest version, so it will say update available. So when you've downloaded it, it will say update available when you first run it, extract and install. Sorry. Alternatively, if you don't want to download the update like that, the update is also distributed here as this zip file here. And here's how you do it. A small reference to command line. Go in here, shift right click, click open PowerShell or open command window. If it says open PowerShell, wait for it to start up. Microsoft is obviously silly and they're going to phase out CMD. Of course that's a bit silly because I never made anything to put PowerShell. So poor system administrators out there are going to have their, well, they're going to be dead in other words, because the system will now be overrun by PowerShell viruses. RDP CCGS, so you type in this, type in best the application name. If it's in PowerShell, just type in CMD, press enter first, and get into CMD. Don't use PowerShell, PowerShell's hard to use. Well, I can use it, but there you go. Copy as path, then what you do is go into Tash, U equals, you want to type it in, remove the quotation marks from around that. Now press enter. So if you don't want to download it, you can just do this with either 4.5 or 3.5. Hello? Yeah, there you go. You didn't download it, you see, and so it takes it out the file here and copies it. And that's what that's used for. See, it's 1.3.2 now. So you can either use the internal file and use the -u with the thing you want to do in order to do it, or you can just run it and download it. If you don't want to download it, then just use the internal one. And just double exit if you're using on PowerShell. Microsoft and their PowerShell stuff. You see, it says I had to edit the registry a little bit. But it still says PowerShell Microsoft. Seriously? The administrators can't block it. That's a good thing around it currently. Because I mean, you can just distribute it on your flash disk and they still can't block it. It's funny, really. You should often even try and block it. And they I think they don't expect you to know about it. Because there's only hearing PowerShell tutorials. I might be the first to make one. Well, not the first, not like tens or hundreds. There's millions of CFD tutorials. There's probably 100 PowerShell on YouTube. Dailymotion on the other side. Anyway, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about, as I said, the update is mainly. You would have saw the .NET 3.5 restart actually. The .NET 3.5 now restarts. Oh, oops. It's usually I make a silly mistake and I put button. So, after creators update, you need to do this. Stop CMD. Otherwise, it would just say open command window here. Then you don't need to type CMD at all. Now, when you type CMD on PowerShell, it's just RDP. Type this is just RDP, and do question mark help or H or even -H question mark help or /H. Do it however you like. You'll get up help. Let's do /question mark. Sorry, it's RDP. Then again, I forgot what I named. You see the command message help. And it shows you a lovely. This allows you to not have ping checking, which basically checks the website's offline before running. Pre-start. Auto start select connection. You could select start connection index and things like that. I'll go and give you an example of this right now. RDP CCGS. Let's do /AS /I. Let's do -I equals 3 and no ping. It doesn't ping and it does that. In this case, we're looking at RHA apps, which, if you know already, is the Red House server. Actually, I think it's offline currently. They usually switch the Red House servers offline during the summer holidays and half terms for security reasons. It's offline. It's obviously offline. Eventually, you'll see remote connection finished. There you go. That's one way of doing it. Sorry. Yeah, of course it worked. See, it selects index number 3. There we go. It doesn't ping anybody, so if I press start for anything, it doesn't go through the pinging process that it usually does. Computer speed is an issue on my computer really badly. You've actually seen quite a few commands now. I mean, you've seen this disable startup update. I mean, that's the useful thing about this. I mean, you can actually put start NU, no updates. You can type in whatever you like before. You do slash dash and do multitude. Actually, you can do like star NU, but it will still come up with the same thing. It didn't check for updates at startup if you'd noticed. It skips it, in other words. It still says checking for updates, but it just skips it inside the code itself. Which is funny, really. I mean, I equals 2, this will select number 2, and this is funny. See, it says see if I equals 2. It's the funny thing, I mean, it will show up in task manager and everything else. That's it for, I think, this update video. Download it if you're Chatham and Clarendon Grammar School. That way you get easy access to desktop servers instead of going for remote apps and having a remote app crash on you every few minutes. Because remote apps are very temperamental. So thanks for watching. That's goodbye for Captain ALM. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, or dislike, and don't forget to download for Chatham and Clarendon Grammar School. Bye. So then, thanks for watching, but now it's goodbye for Captain ALM. Like, subscribe or dislike, or click on one of those lovely videos posted on the screen right now. Lovely picture. Goodbye.